Hello, and welcome to our channel where we explore the ins and outs of the digital marketing world. In this ever-evolving landscape, one strategy has been steadily gaining ground: membership sites. These platforms offer exclusive content to subscribers, providing a steady stream of revenue for site owners. The beauty of membership sites lies in their versatility, catering to a variety of interests, from fitness and education to entertainment and more. Today we delve into the world of membership sites and the 10 simple steps to build one. Step 1 to building a membership site is identifying your niche. Now, what do we mean by a niche? Think of it as your own specialized corner of the market, a specific area where your knowledge, passion, and skills shine. It's the space where you can offer something unique, valuable, and compelling enough to convince people to become members of your site. Identifying your niche is crucial because it helps you focus your efforts, tailor your content, and target your marketing. It's about finding a balance between what you love, what you're good at, and what others are willing to pay for. So how do you identify a suitable niche? Start by examining your interests and expertise. What are you passionate about? What do you excel at? Then research the market. Is there a demand for what you can offer? Are there gaps that you can fill? Remember, a well-defined niche is the foundation of a successful membership site. Step 2 involves conducting thorough market research. Now, why is this important? Well, understanding your market is like having a roadmap for your journey. It gives you a clear direction on where to go and what to avoid. Firstly, market research helps you identify your competitors. By studying their strategies, you can learn what works and what doesn't. This insight allows you to create a unique value proposition that sets your membership site apart. Secondly, it helps you understand your potential customers. What are their needs and preferences? What challenges do they face? By answering these questions, you can tailor your content to cater to their specific needs. Lastly, market research keeps you updated with the latest market trends. Knowing what's trending helps you stay relevant, attract more members, and retain existing ones. So, remember, market research is not just a step, it's a continuous process. It's about staying informed and adapting to change. A comprehensive market research sets the stage for a membership site that meets market needs. The third step is planning your content. This is a critical phase, as the content you provide is the heart of your membership site. It's what your members are paying for, and it's what will keep them coming back for more. Start by identifying what your members need and want. What are their pain points? What solutions are they seeking? Once you have a clear understanding of this, you can begin to plan content that will meet these needs and solve these problems. Consider a variety of content formats: articles, videos, webinars, ebooks. The possibilities are endless. The key is to provide value in every piece of content you create. It's also important to plan your content in advance. Having a content calendar can help you stay organized and ensure that you're consistently delivering fresh, relevant content to your members. Remember, content is not something you create once and forget about. It should be an ongoing effort, constantly evolving based on your members' feedback and needs. Content is king, and a well-planned content strategy is crucial for a successful membership site. Step 4 is all about actually building the site. The construction of your membership website is like piecing together a puzzle. Each piece, from the platform you choose to the design of the site, plays a vital role in the overall picture. First and foremost, you need to choose a platform that suits your needs. There are many out there, from WordPress to Wix, each with its own unique features and benefits. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to design the site. You'll want to create a layout that's easy to navigate and visually appealing. Remember, your site's design is the first impression users will get, so make it count. Consider the colors, typography, and imagery you use. Each element should align with your brand and the expectations of your target audience. Building the site is a critical step, but with the right tools and resources, it's more than achievable. The fifth step is setting up a payment system. This is a crucial stage as it directly relates to your revenue flow. A reliable, secure payment system ensures your members can easily subscribe and renew their memberships, providing a steady stream of income for your site. There are many payment platforms out there, but it's important to choose one that suits your business needs. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, and Square, which are known for their robust security measures and user-friendly interfaces. Consider your target audience as well. If you're catering to an international audience, you'll need a payment system that supports multiple currencies and payment methods. Also, keep in mind the transaction fees. These can eat into your profits, so be sure to compare rates before you make a decision. Lastly, Make sure the platform you choose integrates seamlessly with your website for a smooth user experience. A secure payment system can make or break your membership site, so choose wisely. Step 6 is marketing your membership site. So you've built your site, set up your payment system, and your content is ready to go. But how do you get people to see it? Here's where marketing comes in. First off, let's talk about social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can be powerful tools for reaching your target audience. Regular posts, engaging content, and promotions can draw in potential members. Next, there's search engine optimization, or SEO. By optimizing your site and its content for search engines, you can increase your visibility and attract organic traffic. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Sending newsletters, updates, and offers to your email list can keep your members engaged and attract new ones. But remember, marketing isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process that requires regular effort and adjustment. Remember, even the best membership site won't succeed without effective marketing. Step 7 is the exciting part, launching your membership site. It's the moment where all your hard work starts to pay off. But launching isn't just about hitting the publish button. It's about making sure that your launch is successful and smooth. A well-planned launch is crucial. Make sure you've tested everything on your site thoroughly. The last thing you want is for your new members to encounter glitches or problems. Remember, first impressions matter. It's also a good idea to create some hype around your launch. Use your marketing channels to build anticipation. Offer early bird discounts or special bonuses for the first batch of members. This not only brings in initial revenue, but also helps to create a buzz about your site. After the launch, don't forget to monitor your site closely. Keep an eye out for any issues that may arise and address them promptly. A successful launch can set the tone for the future success of your membership site. Step 8 is all about member engagement. Keep in mind, a membership site isn't just a one-and-done deal. It's a living, breathing community that requires ongoing nurturing. Imagine your site as an exotic plant that needs regular watering to thrive. Your members are the water, and their engagement is the life force that keeps your website flourishing. So, how do you spark that engagement? Start by providing value. When members feel they're getting more than they signed up for, they'll naturally want to engage more. Keep them in the loop with regular updates. And don't forget about the power of interactive content like webinars and forums. Encourage your members to contribute their own content. This not only fosters a sense of community, but also leads to a wealth of user-generated content that can be used to attract new members. And finally, don't shy away from feedback. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it to improve. Remember, engaged members are the lifeblood of any membership site. Step 9 involves analyzing your performance and making improvements. Now, you've launched your site, engaged with members, but your journey doesn't stop there. It's time to take a step back, look at your analytics, and understand what's working and what's not. Analytics are your friend in this journey. They give you insights into member behavior, what content they're engaging with, how often they're logging in, and even when they're most active. This information is invaluable in making your site better. For instance, if you notice certain types of content are more popular, you can focus on creating more of that. If you see members are more active at specific times, you can schedule your activities around that. Remember, a successful membership site isn't built overnight. It's a process of continuous learning, tweaking, and improving. Your analytics will guide you, helping you make smarter decisions and ultimately improving your membership site. Continuous improvement is the key to the prolonged success of your membership site. The final step, step 10, is scaling your membership site. Now you might be wondering, what exactly does scaling mean? Well, in the simplest terms, scaling is all about expanding your site while maintaining or even improving its performance and efficiency. One vital strategy for scaling is the continuous addition of new content. This could be in the form of articles, videos, podcasts, or even online courses. Remember, your members joined your platform because they found value in your content. So, constantly providing fresh, high-quality content is an excellent way to keep them engaged and attract new members. Another effective strategy is introducing new features. This could be a forum where members can interact, a Q&A section, or even a personalized recommendation system. These features not only enhance user experience but also give a feeling of constant evolution and growth to your site. Scaling is the final step to growing your membership site into a thriving online community. And there you have it, the 10 steps to building a successful membership site. We've journeyed from identifying your niche through market research, content planning, site building, payment system setup, marketing, launching, member engagement, analysis and improvement, and finally, scaling. This roadmap, if followed diligently, can set you on the path to creating a profitable membership site. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content like this.